Hello, my name is Priya Akhre. Following my graduation in electrical engineering, I stepped into the dynamic world of sales where I have spent the last 12 plus years growing, learning, and leading. Currently, I serve as a sales manager, a role that allows me to do what I love mostly the strategic relationship, guide business growth, and uncover new opportunities. What truly drive me in the human connection. I deeply passionate about building the trust, delivering solutions that create genuine long-term value. I I have always believed that success is nurtured through the communication, consistency, commitment, and smart work. Along the way, collaborating with diverse, inspiring mind across the various industry has profoundly shaped my journey, helping me refine my empathy and teamwork to consistently bring out the best in everyone I worked with. The most defining chapter of my growth was stepping into the managerial role. It marked a beautiful transition from focusing purely on individual target to embracing a broad vision of shared success. Earlier on, I measured progress by my own matrix, but as my responsibility increases, my responsibility extended, I discovered that true fulfillment lies in understanding deeper challenges, bridging gaps across the teams, and creating sustainable value for everyone involved. Trust become the anchor of every partnership I built. My mentors instantly in me a beautiful philosophy. Growth is never just one single achievement. It is a continuously journey of teamwork, lifelong learning, and making a positive difference every single day. These mantras strengthen my mindset in this fast-paced environment and fundamentally shaped the compassionate leader I strive to be today. In the world of sale, negotiation can often feel intense, but I have learned to view every challenges as an opportunity to build a deeper partnership. I believe in offering solution that creates a long lasting positive impact. A project I hold close to my heart took place in 2025 while handling a major business segment. As a primary point of contact and for front end sale manager, I decided to take a highly strategic yet a gentle approach rather than simply offering a standard package. I took the time to understand stakeholders' core needs and collaborating closely to design a sustainable solution. By prioritizing open communication, timely responses, we empowered our client to achieve their own milestone. During the critical finalization stage, instead of transactional exchange, I arranged face to face meetings to genuinely discuss market realities and align our vision. This compassionate relationship first approach replace frictions with trust, ultimately securing a high value order. A partnership and executing it uh, seamless. This initiative not only sparked a 32% growth in the segment over the previous year, but also reinforced the incredible power of trust. I wish to appraise that during this journey, I was also recognized for this dedication, passion towards work internally with Top Performance Award as well as the Trailblazer Award. Beyond my day-to-day responsibility, I find immense joy in mentoring and guiding other. Regularly uh, share insights and best practice, working hand in hand with cross-functional team to ensure we all through together. One of my favorite endeavor is guiding new team member during their orientations, providing them with a warm supportive foundation as they start their journey. I'm especially passionate about championing my colleagues, particularly women profession, striving to cultivate a nurturing culture rooted in collaboration, continuously learning and mutual empowerment. For me, true impact isn't just about the numbers on a board. It is about the wonderful people we developed and the strong supportive community we built along the way. Out of all, I always keep an open mindset to learn if my colleague have better idea and explore with them. Earlier in my career, stepping into a predominating male driven industry was incredible, frightening. Coming from a regional language background, I often felt out of place and alone in the room. I tried to mimic other strategies and their style, but failed several times. I questioned my path entirely and decided to opt a new style and shifted my focus inward, taking gentle and small step toward my own self development and celebrating those quiet victories. In 2025, I faced another challenge when personally health struggle took a heavy toll on my well-being and focus. Rather than hiding my behind brave face, I made the empowering decision to prioritize my healing. I mm, I support and established healthy boundaries. Uh, Healthy boundaries emerging from this heavy phase taught me to the great strength of helplessness. Today, my leadership identity is entirely defined by compassionate resilience. I deeply believe that hardships are simply seasons. With practice, grace, and unwavering belief in oneself, they eventually pass, leaving us stronger, kinder. To any woman feeling stuck in her career, please know that you are not alone and your potential is boundless. My advice to keep nurturing your mind, strongly believe in your unique abilities, seek out the mentor who uplift you and actively create your own opportunities. When thinking feel overwhelming, give yourself the grace to take a step back, breathe and start again. Remember, setback is never a full stop. It is simply a comma in the beautiful sentence of your life. It is a moment to pause, learn, continue forward. Growth takes time, but your consistency, effort, and radiant confidence will uh, confidence will open new door. Stay proactive, keep a positive heart, and know that together we can absolutely will achieve our dreams. So always be positive and always think we can do it. Thank you so much for this wonderful recognition and creating a space for me to share my story. Being nominated for the Her Rising Award 2026 is a deeply humbling milestone. It is a beautiful reminder that heartlead hard work and perseverance always shine through. I sincerely hope my journey spark a light in other women to confidently step into the leadership, embrace and their challenges, and truly believe in their incredible power to make a difference. Thank you.